In this video, I'm going to show you how to quickly add an end screen to your YouTube videos and a couple other choices that you could do as well. So welcome to the channel. Hope you guys are doing fantastic. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification. And again, I appreciate all you guys that put comments and all that. I've been enjoying the Content Creator Tools channel. And again, it's something that I've been doing for a little while already, and I love it. So I appreciate you guys' support. So let me go ahead and share my screen right here. And let's talk about this because this is something that potentially can give you a pretty good amount of views. So essentially, somebody watches your video, it gets to the end, and then you hook him with another video, right? So this is the Content Creator Tool channel. As you can see, we're going to come up here and we're going to go to the YouTube Studio, and simply we're going to go into one of the videos, right? So let's go to content right here. Here's some of the videos that I have recorded. You could do this when you upload the video as well. It is going to give you a choice in the uploading process, but this video is already uploaded. Let me click right here on details, and if you go a little bit down right below schedule, right, I got this video scheduled already. Okay, going down, and it's going to send end screen right there. So let's go ahead and click there, and now it's going to give you, your video, and it's going to give you a lot of different choices. To tell you the truth, I do about 10 seconds. I don't want to do more than that because if you do the standard 20 seconds or something like that, I kind of feel like it gets in the way from the experience of somebody watching the video. So I typically do 10 seconds. But let me show you some of the elements that you may be able to do straight off from YouTube if you don't want to do editing and things like that. I'm going to cover that in about a second. But again, import the latest video. So if I click here, obviously this is the latest video, a video best for the viewer and obviously content creator right here. So I'm going to click save, and then let me go back into it. I want you guys to see it. Let me click play. Are searching. So again, appreciate you guys watching. So you guys saw that as essentially as the end, something is going to come out here, my my logo for you to hit that subscribe, and also the best for the viewer, right? But again, maybe you don't want to do that one. Let me go back here and do a different one, right? You could do two videos just like this, and again, you kind of see this is way too long in my opinion, but you could grab it and kind of readjust it. I would just try to make sure that all the videos are starting at the same time. Let me come up here, click here, and let's say 408 to 428. Let's change the time and let's do 420. So obviously you guys can see one is smaller or one is shorter than the other one. So let's click on the other one and then let's do 420 as well. Let's see how that plays. People are looking for and people are obviously in this case that wouldn't be the most exciting one because it's kind of covering my face, but you could grab it and you can readjust it. Look, you could do this. Maybe that sounds a little bit better right there. People are looking for and people are, that's not too bad. Again, somebody's watching your video and it's gonna get hooked up with a different video, right? Let's go ahead and take a look at other ones that they got right here. This one's pretty cool. I used to use this one a lot, and this one obviously has two video and the subscribe right there. You got another one that is up here on the top, and again, you can readjust some of that length right there. Like I said, I usually use this one right here. I give it about 10 seconds and I click save, and that's about it. Now, one thing to understand that is just done on YouTube itself. There's way that you could edit a portion of your video where you're gonna insert this, and I've done that in the past. Back years ago, YouTube used to have a different system, and I used to do that, but nowadays I don't. I kind of feel like sometimes you do this, but if YouTube changes the end screens or something like that, then you're going to have many videos uploaded that, don't have those end screens, and it kind of gets funny, right? So, but again, you could do it if you want. If I come here to Canvas, and I just recently reinstated my account into this because you could do many different things. But if you see this right here, this is an end screen right there, right? So if I click there, this is something that you could do. Obviously, you could highly modify this. You don't have to have this in here. But again, this is kind of like an idea. Thanks for watching, previous videos, next video. Don't forget to subscribe. So essentially, you kind of prep yourself. You do this, you download, you put it in the editor, and you gotta prep yourself for that. At the end of the video, you know that this card is going to play. Maybe a little bit of music is going to play, and those videos are going to show for 10 seconds, 15 seconds, whatever you do. So again, you do have that choice there as well. Keep in mind that choice is going to require you to do a little bit more editing. I mean, it's really, really cool. It's up to you how you want to run your videos. Me personally, I think at the end of the video, the way that YouTube has it set up already is good enough. Let me know what you think. Put comments down below. We'll see you in the next one.